Doso wiei ena yede mamuo na kane marase bedwane de ma adehye ya ewo bantama baton pesware so asante mantemu Yewura Daniel Ochem Aboagye ni wo akiri no ensem bia ekokoso no awiei yede bi bremu
marase bedwane ya wogina de ma manfo wo bantama baton pesware so Yewura Francis Asenso Boakye wono so abibi e de ahye papai animunya
Yewura oseche mensa bonsunso edna no atosa owuo yi mu
na Yewura Allah no kwadwo chematen ya TBB said na no mienu pepepe wana Ghana de hye ebedi nkomo ohyew bokuo bi ewo enkramantam mo ne nsantrofo edi nkomo e kire se nyame ya adomo a December bosum no bibi besa si won kran George Pariado wono ye National Youth Organizer de ma NDC amanyokoro no wo hye mampanyi na adose adehye no mokoyo ye kire na anu ada na posifo kwache wo mo no wo se obepo ma chew
adehye ya ewo Gomoa Center baton pesua no so ewo mfimfiri mantemu ena wone A+ misrompo na mekekan edi nkomo bi na A+ so de nsambi atodwa
afoforo bi kan wenum ho ye ne nyina da ba so mo se ria pramtober ka se bo sha no so en sabo tata beti be twa so anu odama ba se nam so ntinyima ko bi adaramo ena won ma so ya sene ana ria kan for 21st clinic di amount the sciatica expert ene wonom cloud internet show won mo kra mu se twetwe eno ochi no be ha ba clinic se yan kan sure se water no so patrapa new site wonom a odru na obisa won sabeka no 3 herbal center 183 core capsules kokoma seta dru no wode ekura yemu so was herbal clinic nie o ko wose wode stroke mpo afabra na won hwentu ase mfama wo afi okoso fla alignment wonom a Tabita clinic wo hono mo kwada bia wo yede asi ho se sikire yade ne prostate yade wo hwene wo to ase sharon se wo kwada bia so Dr. Bomias ebebo akwamutia no wotie bi na wo pa no de papa ya hodin wo mu a eyemizo ene 5G
na na kwabra kese na afei
akosia ejewa kwade boatin
Yewura Daniel Ochem Aboagye kane marase bedwane de ma adehye ye wo bantama baton pesua no so asante mantem hasei ni wo akiri no ensem bi efrase ya enenama ba fontentafidie no so mi wogide mapase wonya bi ahwe wonya bi akenkan obi aka bi akyerewo obi asende bi e de amawo wo ba kai na mo ahye nso a edwa baako ewo kumase ha na edwadifo ma no e kyerese Yewura Daniel Ochem Aboagye ne su ene ne ban ya woda na die wo ho no ayade se ade no anya ne dia nanso so no enam se wo amanwo mu nti no pese wode amanwo tumi no ebebum ekamfa wo so sebe ya obetimi anya asase no na ne 2M Express adwuma na wo ye no wasabe park cars ne bi e wo ho ya kyerkyere mu nyina e de ya kyere mu na no na manfo kyerese adwadifo ma no na aburu ne nua oye duabo pe manfo kyerese da bi nya duabo e ma no kyerese bi se duabo bi se nya duabo bi se na no aka ho bi ama na adwuma ba ko pani a wode mansan din kita ho e de ma sa adwuma no Yewura Jo Wopon ana nsɛmtwerɛfo busa ne sɛ wadawroma wo ensam no akoye bebre e wo yasum ewiase nyina e padekode pote a sabi esiye e na ate owuo bia epesobo na Yewura Daniel Ochem Aboagye wo no e de pa ene komu
Maya se mi ne bayo bekaya aba mi ni via before ma kokot na ma via before via mu tipo asashi enwo se mi nya company amfa kwambone so ni tu oba bia fio mi akwanso document bia o tie bia kemi railway authority ya nfi ka bia o tie fa ni no and my boss who were catching to when I did be away in the castle on funny pet in Takashi, Abia Mitubi. I said, my now they are working as in the adult better Vina, crack, am I a knee, a mayor, and no Macassa. Young Palmo, if there, who is station, a 34 ma. Because we the party and Bafoka. There will be any wild idea, and my papa. If you will trust it, and the commodity down come up, say, you become a more no more at home. The more you go to get in Bafoka, maybe the home of the now there, Kuma, who Wabrana, for a competition by an idea. In the end, you know, somebody would be a question. My money because they buy any more chair or more. They will pick more in the customer or mobile, but we are about the that's the other decision that you for the name that's how we have the Jabazan to be the car, comfortable, like a macaque commander, and he says, I want to say, and Zina count on question imagine where the musician. And the demonstration, and Mary or Mako lands or Mako baby and tell me Akumentia, that you will be a company no for combination and what just happened. You move from Moko, no one transit, no crime for us from which much more the Muta, and travel the Muta. I manage the umbrella kind of crack, and the kind of crop by my making that person here. I mean, we are about to go media or mind the crowd or minute my community or break too much and you will be our bond with the back or break back over transport over bank. From one as I research at the Master for America or some only bringing or a full developer with develop software at my company across the world. It's 24/7 what the computer. You need to have a idea. Making me a cast or the argument chilling what I do too much and done a day to Grampuna somebody, you know. I do more what about office or about the Yajumo, and I do know what office there will go never declare on the laptops near about the Yajumo. Now, hopefully, this year, the victim are afraid the closest person I walk about where it was. So, a Juma, we are home, oh, call, but for the Jumano, Manin Chemukaka, company, no, a company, Nipa, me and San or Makabu, no, we are completely too much personal. But I don't see about 80% near area. And you are taking a point there with a Jumano, a Jumano group, where kind of person that is going to be so bad, Mother, in the life in the PPR concentration or whatever.
Niya etwagu ye yewura jo opon okasa edema opani asese won kan atiasefo hu biemu no kane mbara so bejone de ma de sey wo bantama baton person so asante mantamu wonamo Daniel ochem abwadwe adwuma ba ko no okasa edema no
Ora Daniel Chamabwaje ya wanya na bebu ko wo so ko ya nche de we sama foforo ya fe na wa bemu na so mpanyefo ka sembi sasama mpa we ne to ne padin enam saya so nti mra shebadwane ya wagina de mo manfo a ewo bantama bato mpeso so yira Francis asanso boache wo de atodwa e kire se papa de bra no wote ase nkane no ano mra shebadwane wo bantama no obomoden papa chazanya se mra shebadwane mko adwuma wa ye wo ma gana mu no de aboa ma mabuna nya biaye no enya ketwa edise ne wo kwana kra chia na sefata se astrotef bia won moye no wo hwuma manfrom ye no ewo bantema sub metro no wotumi de shapapa ni munyam se ne be ya na kra chia wo kono na ni betumi age na ene wade achia bia dwumadi so ye o mahne ye odu bwache wotena na dwamu no ene papa yi oto na ni tusi
yeah ilusu ye former member of parliament na e pan a ofa so film no nipa bebre enemy they are doing say e plan e toye so na ya reho sempa na you heard a sma or the person bantima mind any masiman any Ghana mind intino many benefo di pomo say sa astrotaf pitch we say ya de abeto honorable Ochem Abwaje in his honor. And from today going, you know, astrotaf pitch we say, the best friend honorable Ochem Abwaje astrotaf pitch. They are there. Me, any penifua, a what Baltimore constituency, party executives, mayor, any obia etamechi, say you find shit the do anyway. Now, ni wono hihye nsusu no eni abusafo di kombo hihye abusafo hihye bia no bebe bia no nsusu ye beba maso ati
Anochi no ana yira Frank Jamfi wono Ghana Gas Limited wono de djuma wono so kasai e de futu bi etoaso
ya e wa edie mesre se bantima mai e de abasobodi e be ma eye bantima MP honorable France honorable Asenso ninyina ne se wabomodi pa yi ye he eniema wo ye wo bantima wo se abasobodi a ese munyina mo nso mota na chi na ni duma panso a wo ye ne nso oguso okoso nso na wo ye e de bo bantima man enye ba bia nyu obi an wo prade a wonya enti se manyu obi no prade na otimi nya bi ba fia na esa mo bora baso eti na mede ma de sem eba awie no na me kan se ya ye ade fefefe we awie ade aka eye maintenance culture e kwanya ye betimi afa so ahye na park ne nso afi echi enfie mienu echi ye beba no na park no eti sese ya eti mesre na nanom assembly members yewura MP ene oswafo a wo ya obidie so kire me mayor ye be sere se mu nyina mo fa mo nyim
Eno no so for ya wono hwa mabuno ne agokanse won sam so wono monyamfo Mustafa Yusuf wono so akasa kira sema panyi na nani abrepa se wobeboa amamabunu pinu a enyenyumaye.
Swimming competition pool in Baltimore. We are doing 8-lane pool in Baltimore. We are also doing a multi-purpose sport, which will take sports like basketball, badminton, boxing, 1,000-seater in Baltimore. We are doing 6 tennis courts. One of the covered spectators stand 1,000-seater with big driving seats. We are also doing another multi-purpose sport. We are doing also athletic track.
I was not just no astroturf, monocra, ya one map hontoma. I was shima man from Bantama submetro no. And now when Monya for Mustafa Yusuf, Wakasaya, Ewasi. I was sans and Samun Sono Yura or Seche Mensa, Bonso Swame Marasebejani, Woko Gana Marasebejamunsoa, Dom Cassiano Afemu, with Dia Cotere Hona Face Masebeja Fions and Semina Sono, Wanuana, Edanabem, also Nanuatum, or Penny, one Katas for who be herself. Sompa.
But to him, Rasebeja fee. Na ni sue hunu nim die ntino ye chiche amafo do matoto ba so committee so ne ko to finance committee so no aye accounting aye finance kakra aye accounting ni enti ne ko to finance committee so na hono FM within a short time na o pejani mu ntina emu no ye probi amanako radio so he would always volunteer tinu answer be asem no be chire mu kakra na wate ase na ono akoto aso ntina obodwuma ema party no until we started on radio afi call television so nemni ade ina boa MPP eboa parliament emani party enema yeye wo honase of course anchipi ena omoko primary so bantama na osi omanan na bantama for no san ye another choice omo edi selected no mo fa asenso boachi baye enne asenso boachi so abaye Western Housing Ministry but ochembe fie no o amfa ne se abefie ntino asembi fa aban no ho so bi no se o ti ase a on chechire munchire nkofo. He was doing that. You know, ofasa kwano so chechire emu chire nkofo. Enti even though ofim rashe bebe fie no. Ne djuma no wanyanto ho. Bibia obenyam entiase no ko radio so ko bon deru. That's right. Chechire manfo defend the party. Such was the character of Chamamwaji. So na make na mrasebe jefi ho na nko pejani mu pa. Na ananui say akansi aba MPP mu ye presidential candidate ye peno no. Say nipa bebre ni say me. Batuma no mutu say omo pre no mehwe mu a ebebutima boa yen. Aboa MPP na boa o my Ghana. Any Dr. Sompa FM. That's right. Ni bonechidom. Tin saying be na otwimi no atwamu. Ye ba Ashanti region. Na ye regional chairman and so believe in the cause of Dr. Bawumienti no. Ye teams mienu a na ye kwa pro constituencies ni na 47 constituencies ye ko ni na. Ye two teams ye teams mienu an ye de ko sa pro. Ye de sa pro bono. Na yem pese dede bia beba ya nanti munti no yese nipa be dudu ana ye nam no yempe minivans bi ni emfa enyesa around o chema hyase no na o declare so support to keno hinde Japan me gidi se o chema na nkasa na o ye businessman asa no ba mrashe be. That's right. And a businessman no say politician. Me sure say he had a soft spot for Ken because of business or in Japan no so but in terms of real discernment and ebia governance nso no na na koma nso ewo bromia echi nti no ye pe vans no ono ana volunteers no ye pe vans o 2 vans o sa PMS press
yeah 2 MS press
2 MS press
yes
what they call encrying no mama emienu se onye bibia na yentofu engum de bia na yemfananti
era osese mensa bonsuna yetene nkan
Ora Alan Kwajo Chemate na waka adehye binum anyame ya dom November bosome no NPP amanyoko no bato won mo so aba na won mo yimu ba ko ayo frankatuni wa amanyoko nim na bibinti wo panyin ne dekrata ba monten so na wo kire se anyade ya obetumi akobiem ena ye tete bribe se no mienu pepepe yero Alan Kwajo Chemate wo beba monten so wo kire se nyewe na bebu na bamu o abeka na honhom am na boto nam so nti wane manfo nyina ba bekasa na de wonanum wo no sebiribi ade akere wonom na ahyase no ne yetete nsensem bi sa hwa papa no obetwe no wo de afran bi pia manyokuo nim sansa sane wonom ade na fa so ne ade ade no ne ani yie enam so nkire wono anka so obekọ obi ampamo no de na so no obetwe no wo de afrimu ye obeto no mu tuo aka enam so nkire na no pa wade achia bi adwumadi so no enka ne ma hye odwane ya no obantema boto mpeso so no akro ye wire campaign team member leading member de ma Yera Alan Kwajo Chematen ma Hilda Ado wane aye o ma hene twetwe nkomo e ma wo kyekye mu enne adekode potenti a Yera Alan one ne manfo bekasa
o beka de enti a or withdraw free November 4th against the MPP aircon nema atotuma wa abrabomanti ofu sese Ghana dana koma so dia anama wo so tuo o Ghana politics ye no na wo se atwa ni etie no o dabi say wodi so wadi owura Alankwajo Chemate ache say de wonim say yemu bi adi na chi a hwe ne ma ekọ ne ne ma wutumu say emo ya aso obi pese odi kame o destiny ma obi pese wo hyehyɛ wa brabo ma na de nyame edi a chance that so be ade ebeye no na so hwe yes say so bi kɔbɔ mo na ma chiwacho nyema bebre akoso MPP mo free emra medi ho owura Alan 206 ebesi say wo ka nyema ese na so abotrepa or big heart MPP party o ka ho ne tie o founding member of the party no say founding member FU I mean say the sikan na montuo ka signature da so na MPP abeja emra echire enti akodu mrebi na se eniema mimi hu se e wo se koso na party no owura kofo pen so tete wo party ayenim wo MPP no se the MPP tennis tie abrabo ayetumu akono wo hiwe henkiti fukwa sabi na wudidi wo the MPP dugu egu koma na wo fra dofo let's nipa bi etime hihim party no emfa party mraso amna be tum pempen so ewo ya e dey na say me nwanwa me dey minnimu pa anya me pe let's we nya kasa wi a dey wantimi anka e dey nimu no ye di batudwa enminya ni na no de but one kan akra anka penne nka ade no so sa amansa tiase into bo ha wenim ore o na ye kan ran resign dey ne aka ne say da ho obia for office the onim no odi wada enye sa de see tinna ye wonya mekasa bia ye betre boss ya kire o man nu ame so apano osipi sabi osita wo MPP
na yatene kan ye kan kwada somra shebedwani won monya forma me Hilda Ado
na otwe a etwa mu no ohyew boku ahodo pi akeka won ho ewo nkramantam no mu ne nyina etere se omo se amamuo no enkoyie bibia ye ma nipa setere motime heha no sa ne ma ne nyina eni ho sikasam nyina ade bia emu apagya ewo asetere no mu ne science omo keka ho kakra ya woni apolisifoɔ adisi ani na wasade atodwa etere se nyame ya adomo a December bosumi no no ene yampaya ebedwa de di ka ba ne kwa de Ghana for kwaso ma hu bibia nyame ya adom na December ebeto wo mo paade a ene ombe sheki kurom papa na ekuo yi omo kire se enye se bia omo nti o na bom se be ya Ghana fo nyina ho betimi ato wo mo nti ene masa adwuma yi esa eba so na ensam a owura Bernard Dakon woka wani abrese nyame ya adom a obeye ye kire hu ebre sam 1240 ya na yebusa na sam ode man sam 1240
yeah encouraging
basically, and speaking to what Yankasa SNC says is happening in town, say Krumayeshi. Now, 3 days, aftermath, Kase. Now I was saying, maybe a month long and a week long because not Yakufia. Don't listen. So it needs to be something prolonged. Based on feedback, you want to say your man government now to maybe close of November. Now you won't be we'll be able to kickstart something new in the December month. Now we'll use Christmas and the dirty December that they've been doing for diasporas for we'll use that period as a week-long protest that will be organized from democracy. If we do not see certain micro changes or your long-term demands are already put it out there, people say your constitution and your papa say you need economic charter be more minor. Basically, you're running or minor or manifestos and he say national plan be legally binding on all political actors. Ghana development are more streamlined and structured. And be our being see government projects be was aglemi none exam but not BBS in yet because say ebani say nyekrana it is still taxpayers' money. We've been having this kind of issues not once, not twice. NDC came, they didn't continue. NDC did some, MPP came back, they didn't continue. And all these things, it hurts the common civilian out there because taxes. So if government wants to run the country now, it needs to be more structured. Uko China more already plan. So they plan into the future. Ghana had no pen a running country within a 4-year scope. We've seen these things create issues, and we know very well our leaders penny for no money say high. And the solution in there, they say you just convert the National Development Planning Commission into an authority so that they have a backing and a legal authority, and then we move forward from there so that we won't have an issue. Maybe a large general hospital, nothing. President Mekasa having no more interest coming start. You don't do that.
Na Bendaku ewi yeno ni nua ba ya fene se Shafa wo Musa wono so de kakra e mansem twofo.
We're speaking on issues. Of course, we can't have demonstrations every day or every other day, right? We will not stop talking about things of affairs in the country. We will keep talking until we see some real change, take place. And so we'll go back to the drawing board and whatever decisions that emerge from that meeting, I'm sure Ghanaians would hear about it.
Abusia yakwa nim won sam foforo
yakwa yanim na another duai nana kwa me wo so nkwanta bisa ya wono ade ache bia dwumadie ye wo Sompa sunyane wodi ho dwuma ane ye George Pariado atwetwe nkomo na apanyipai wo national youth organizer adema NDC amonyoko no ye nkomo no nyina no kokoye Ghana mpuntuo ne nkanko ne yiyo e wono panyi ba be yatum sama panyi na ado wo Ghana fo kapa e wo chawpa ho ya wo senka e wono no a anka nani chine ya kwa ba monte so be pawma fo no chaw dada san se e ya che ene sai wo se na no wada wa ya kire chenchenche akọ so won kramantamu na wi akira posifo kwaje kire binum ma bi mprepra ne ade no wo se antwa yie ensam fata kura na mampanya se wo bubu nuagu na suma se wate wonte ene wo sisi na so won pese de yakọ kura obaka asem ede afa ho.
For the government to exonerate itself, the government must lead the charge in probing the police force. First and foremost, the government should render an unqualified apology to all the citizens who were arrested and handled by the police. The government should take the concerns of the people serious and must come out with a reassuring statement that seeks to fix the problems confronting Ghana for. The overzealousness of the Ghana police must be brought to book. Constitution not guarantee the right to demonstrate. They took the law to their own hands, maltreated and manhandled innocent people who were embarking in a peaceful demonstration. And I call for a full parliamentary inquiry into Sardina. And if it is the IPP that gave the order, or any other senior leaders of the matter order now, a man should say, I will get trauma. Because you cannot be street citizens of this country and go scot-free. What were their concerns? Bad declarable roads, killer traps at 8 Ghana this year, mismanagement of the economy under a Kufa and Mamudu, corruption. So the air cost was to see that and how this government rules with impunity. We are hospitals in the higher massage, and Latina hospital and not problem here in or Cabrania Hospital. So about this hospital, 3-4 years down the line, blood is crying too.
I was your way a year or George Parado, where a national youth organizer at the NDC Amayukun.
We are from Tobra Cassian in Sompa TV, so I will go so I will share live our Facebook and YouTube and also so a year at Juma Sompa 93.1 FM. Our Santimantan Kropokumas and watch Sompa 90.7. Our Bono Nepuya FM, Tachima and Kuranzan and Potamu, Sansosona Sompa 98.9. Na ye kwa en free mantam emu. Adisia ya ewo Gomua Center baton person so mfimfiri mantemu na women nsam trofo edi enkomabira nsam trofo nhyiamu die bi ekoso ne nyina no eye Ghana dwumtunia ya friend Kwame Asare Open edi ane maame ene ne papa de ma no na so na hotadin edi A+ mo be kai A+ Ghana ha se wotaka na adwen pa ewo amamuo mu se bia be fo ntentafie no so se TV so se radio so ba bia abrantie ensuro waka na adwen yie pa na Kwame A+ aye ka no ho asemi won na ball adwum bia so wodofo mo jatabili bo wo sa adwum no on to ye misurompo na mekekan yi o sa abrantie no ho asem na meka na watwe ti se wopese osini manfo anamu ewo empasua no so na adehye no tu a watu chade ma abrantie no enya asem keto akora yenti adehye no nya adehye no nsem a wode man nsem trofo yenti wi
enye dwuma ye MP fun ba wada ya to abramo wan hu hwi bio nti sise ye ni da A+ no ye hwa do no so baba ba ye gomoman no nti na ye ni da A+ no do no ye bibia obaba me adwuma ma ye so ya adwuma ne kake because ye di MP fun we kira ye to abramo hu wi a won saka bibia won kan ye webusu afunguti ne woni mu ho sise da A+ a na ekọ me da ase ebre wo Gomwa Central sise a nipa ye pese oba no ba buan wa han A+ ye nya na nkasa ombra ya kwan po no donye oba ye yi na wa ma ho ma ye friend kakra ma ye no enya A+ wa ba se oba be buanya ye ginitum ombra no ombra mbo buanya bi mu bebre wonya adwuma ye skasa minti ye nya adwuma ye bra wa hankasa nti ombra ye ginitum A+ ombra ye call meeting na edu da wo be cheska no o de man penifun no bi tena so nti aye ma me jai meeting no ko enti so ba no wa abobo aye na yeso ye gine to mombra no ma bo aye A+
na nuachi ana yebusa opani no ankasa se wa na wo bo freedom of speech se wo freedom of speech na wo de ba Gomwa Central no o sane mu sai
come 2024 I'm not contesting NDC MPP or MP no Hanumetu no obi obebebi amebo no otiase I'm very confident that I'm going to win this seat. It's very likely that like 2025 I'll be the only independent candidate in Ghana's parliament, and that is what I want to do. And to anybody who wants to contest must know that my man can go come in Nimuye constituency higher dia. The person will contest to a higher count. So eba e discover ye be too. E da no deba ye be too. Me de be bia ye be ya chen. Influence no so de ye will be chen. Nti mo bia mpo ma NDC MPP. Mo bia on contest coming 2025. When jana men ko unopposed na men ko parliament. I don't even want any competition. Someone tells us na mo peda mo de ba umi an kasa ba ha me beating. Anybody who comes I'm going to win the election come 2020. Emi men ko be hobi no come home. And you know if anybody wants to join me, you can shelve your ambition of wanting to be an MP and join me ebia me winner metuma buana way the DC, but to be MP for 2025 in this constituency, of course, no two ways about that.
Ejumtini A+ and yetenenkai.
National Democratic Congress NDC amanyoko ye war commander na egwafo abrim abaton person so women's organizer Miss Vivian Soto wono so ayade obi nye bi dakora ene meka say sabia ye no ewo ankafo prison community clinic en wabo anan akọ no mu a na wodam won wakwacha neoma hodo bi ye bebo ama yarehwe ene yaresadwumedi atumi etumpon na neoma wode ko na ne bo no som 8,000 Ghana cedis ye na nyina da ye de boa ayarehwe pa na eno ne ama ne boni ereka na twetwe nkomo ena wo kyerem se nyame anim ni na da na koma so pa so obeye bi dia boa sansa yarehwe hoi ehu hia wo bia no won ma wodidi won no wa shatade no odwade wanyade enti babia yakwaja yarehwe se etimi siesie ho ma hodi ni a eno no beboa pa se ne be na dache wo man no yaresadwumedi no ebetumi akwankan ede amaye
sama ya atase de yenya ɔwɔde yenyi afofofo che on said ɔde yedwene hankoten ye no ho nti ma woda soin no na modwene ho de obeye de prisons clinic owa ha no or serve all the inmates over 4 prisons communities and aside that no so no communities away tra prisons where she ye intranwa communities no so ewa ha nti se motum my bibi kakra oboboa ama obi no ho dodo na so oba wetum na wabon in plastic chairs the mahon drip stand the mahon toiletries na me mahon drugs that's it me just there ankra wogudo a worhwe hen yesre awo biara eye ebotum aba na abeye honomboan obeye the mara so na pharmaceutical companies wo Ghana one so wo Cape Coast na no kwado Elmina yesre one de mbo bia wo botum no kakra bia no ofambra na wonfambobo ho
Anochi no DSP Patrice Adam Hoke wono aye acting officer in charge of the prison community clinic. What is it?
The nasipa de ode damnyame abrayen. It will go a long way to help the prison community, both inmates and officers. And towns now which are young, most of them access healthcare for year so we are very grateful for this presentation, and we hope going forward more will come. I think the major issue we have here, delay in payment of claims, because claims on Bantam, we are not able to buy drugs as often as we are supposed to, and then we also have challenge with washroom facility, which you can see beside us. You do baby waka roofing on these small touches. So I think if you help in that direction to Obeboy.
Afei anchor for communicable disease prison CSP Azanya Roger one so akasasi
for celebrating her birthday with the inmates. It is something that we appreciate because it is not everybody who wants people to celebrate it. So if she has made time to come and celebrate her birthday with the inmates, I think she's welcome. My message for them is that they should not forget of them, but they are part and parcel of society. So it is good whatever they are do or to celebrate in terms of anything like birthday parties. It's good for them to also remember those in prison because they are part of society.
I was on attending K officer, you know, anchor for communicable disease prison CSP Azanya Roger.
Yeah, Tete Assembly, Ewa have no southwest about on person, so I have Mantemu. Now, a was some Yentiminka, Abra, Yenu Bema, Ebenezer, Usu and San, Embamu, Ebenezer Radiasum, doing Korea.
Government Council.
Now, what promote to say?
The Hoyapa.
Blah, a domutio.
Medase. Said the wedding kind Eddie Asemino, Atujano, Capepe, anything. And there are no pay, yet that's all you know, Yantias and the cry. Ninakoba say, a branch park, say, the Hunsu Jijan, who pass, Abramino Casino, what one and anum ever seedom. When it's in our say, a police for a woman council, Echo Far Nemu, Ewo, Biposwa, and no air, I have found out to crew, a big kind. Now, Abra, a month for Bima, who airborne common, we say, Asu, a good potty, and a branch, every year. And no more to that, say, a branch, no dear, yes, so Musu say, what warrior crow for our bar, Sacrum, then Comobian Suko, so crack, say, Sabranch, Kuyen, Ebbing kind of a crumua before so on, Etini Ababa, Bidiam Ransama, every young conform, Ediaco, and no account who be mad, a death of Similia or Baba and a Jumata Crowfree, will move Etini soon, we must see Bam, Papa. Now, Abro Musibam, the Sana, let us say, Aquaquese, Woo, and a man with Musujan, what I say, and here, Yabache, I guess, I'm a 5 o'clock, Yapapeno, a Potifano Mususo, a corporate trial, Muba, and who say, a Brantu Kwabi, the Quanin Chair, Wabra, will be a minimum. Now, Mubopin, who says, I Brantu Quano Crana, and your Bono Mount for Bonaparte, and ask them to Casaquano, Osha said the Abrantiano, a party for the Baby Pimo, Mancaso, Banya, said the man, a Muja, Brantiano, and they said that I knew if you are party for no fan, the Baby Pimo, and Kaja, or Baba, we give you about Sebayanka, who moved to me and Yan Quadiaso, no Mabusana, the Kodia Potria, or Koya, and Namsuma, Umubro Brotui, and no can be moved in the Guyene, what would do and me best miss me, Lucra, and a branch at one another one, Theodore, Aquacoya, who makes a media, this year, Wazi. Now, Brian, a branch, me can't my friend Wendy, Etchum, Common, or you to that, or Cano, Warnian, and Siesa, the phone air belly, then the phone belly now, Pepena, won't set on fire, that 1 year would be Paconium command up, where Nipane done and what the air channel say, we're police in your woman council now, same thing, and out to a branch, and I yet never between Mancaso police hospital, and you can be my one, also to make a buy, and who says a branch and Atwana Nanan wants you. Now, I buy any Baba way airborne commono. Women take quite a fast to which are some packable, Brawate, Asama, a fine Nakantama, Wababa Deuce and some of Hasia Watwana and wants you.
No, that's a problem. Makes me not so no, so my 26 years see, say, for we are the announcement. Say, now, only my joy. Where did you say? Atasu. I don't free Atasu BP has say. One more man, the cat be possible. Minim, Motocra. Infinite. So you will be in motor for the idea. So I had you want this idea. But what in say why you and Cofone Pona and what in saying? When listening to someone would do on almost corporate or mobile. No doubt. No doubt. What that a panel I went to make a canal. But my family no more. On a chronic meeting each level, and almost under the bar.
Busia, we and some of you my Beneza will so and say you see and then we'll have for no Southwest Mensimu, ever Santimantam Boabuanoa, what am I?
Our World Health Organization, we are someone in our Pomdico Batano, Diabaya, watch them so my Ghana. A Nipanobas, a million diasani a chirenu. A more million me no actually 2.4 million. I wish ya, I don't know how no, you will be. Now, watch us when your mom or Munana Mountain Shonquan was your who is a very so 1 more damn quo. A bimushan tada pass or drain a crenum the num, South foreign in a cabo mua, a year 2.4 million Ghana Fonqua. Now, watch us away or was some Cassia, ye no quans or money at Tanatana show. Now, so as a dream maybe a yen Jenny find her son your money tea, draw no dosho, I will make more. What says a Ghana penny for yen to me and penny. Now, what other organization, woman of senior Ghana memo, Professor Francis Casalo, one no and an insum pansam job for the chincomo, I want Cramante Moya, what you say, I have Johnny, say Ghana from penny for 1 money share, a bet to me a bois near to us.
We have the council that we are working with. We have the civil society we are working with. Each of them is contributing in a way in ensuring that this initiative and other initiatives that will come continue, that they are sustainable, and that whatever we put in place continues to be operational. So yes, I think going forward we're going to see better mental health services, but it's really all of us, including the media, that we need to really promote and advocate for these services to improve, just as we have advocated for other services like antenatal services, vaccination. Those services are there. Why can't we advocate for mental health, considering the numbers I've given you of 2.3, 2.4 million people, working with the community, working with the civil society? We should be start breaking these myths. If these myths around mental health are broken, it will become just another disease. We lived, when I was a bit younger, we lived in an era of HIV. People never spoke about HIV, but in whispers. Why? There was no medicine, there was no system to really run HIV service. But when medicines became available, when hospitals opened up for HIV, Nobody talks about HIV as the way we used to talk about it, or people used to talk about it. People have come to realize that it's a chronic disease which can be managed. It's the same with mental health. The area we accept that this is one of these chronic conditions that need to be managed, the better. Because some of the things that drive mental health need also to be managed. And some of them I mentioned earlier. Substance abuse.
I was away a World Health Organization, woman I'm senior Ghana memo Professor Francis Kasalu.
Na penny kwanchere for the ma ayim college preparatory school ya ewo Governmental na openi ono cry enesaye ohene ewo ho ni taiko senche na ekasai ebra enu ada na woye akwankwaja som ediama na dehye ewo school honum ensebe odi to dwa kire se ombesra aban se ewiase ebaye wonipa hiamoa enkania ensuo ene ade ho nsem de ma wo montia ma asetena mu aye den de ma wo mo kire se ade hye so ye wo empotem ho nyina so ye akuafo bro besem pimunum ene akire ne wo honum na wa hwese kuani asora no pa kwa afuom na wakoye adwumaden beba fie kane ani ho ahuhuo de ente se aduane wo no ana asa wonya ba bi mfa nse ensuo ho nsem aye den de ma wo mu a na ehadwen
awo ye fam wo ha na ye special light ene ye road no ye kwan no enu ye ade a ye haye wa papa abesem nyama bibi si wa na se ye frɛ government na omuntie omumbuaye sure ye MPs say from say nyama bi say koso wo ye mantem ha omumbra no mbeboaye ye road say so far ko asbam enye ufa ankoda nchira enye affairs yet mi fa akọ okuru kwanta yet mi fa akọ badwase by see as e fa sa kwan wa ye hu ekwan bi kra be fa ekwan nyira den asei ye light asem nso say kala ye light asem a hwe sia no awo abaha wo ye ayim ha awo wa be bre a say ye nya light na ye kwa bia nya fa by say ye free a ye ntimi nya light intenu ye sre aban na onbuae na onye bi emfa ho se siensu obinum afa langas fo abehye ye mantem ha omuhye ha ye ne magba kro mo se dru around by 4 o'clock anajo a etuo pai ma aibefuo ne nkrofo mo ira no obi antimi enjira na obi adwane se me so obi asori a no de aba me nchen mi nim mbakọ mo eden omo ye sa nyama no enti mi sre aban omunfo no ye sa adwuma bibi emfa sa nyama no maye misri aban na omuma entu IGP esesi ano ya anya police station wadanchura ebi wa man from esa ye de bia sia akọ ye mantem police station dos wa ba se wo from a omumba ye sire na IGP onjira na onye ebi emfa sa nyama we hu
abusia ni taiko sanche ena yetene nke na no kura mu kura no headmaster ya wo school mo Owura Charles Agbe ensamo a ode ma ye nie
ehye awofo no enkrai se abra nkola ekofie do yaye bebre e wo school no ha but abra omukofie se omuso omboa nkola no o madisuem do ye be classes na so say wo mo omuntumi emba classes no due to distance no say ombo homode a na omo ye de mbo nkwala no ofie e wo adesuem se ne be ya ne omba bi school no ne ni omo sua no ne edanwe de o mo trim nti on ye nkrahye sema watumi aye de eda hye awofo ne nkran ani ni etoso biom ni se nkwala na sai be bi no mba hia nyama bebre nti ese awofo no ombo omomode a ne nyama nkwala ne ebe hia no omutumi ye de eto sa nyama we na de ma nkwala no se ne be ya ye bi school a nkwala so omudi anije betumi aye de betumi esua de every say akwala ehia birbi e wo school ana se chiche ka sha akwala se on top birbi ne se akwala no na wo fo to sa nyama e de ma na ahonkeka aya ode ba class no yeso ko se obeka na wo fo enkasa no
abusia ye dane ye ho abaye ba nsempia ka akira ye be soso de ama
Sesia Ghana hade open internet papa eye smooth eye fast bemo waye dia we bia with speed dia eye Cloud Ghana internet and fa ho ne baby a wo hye say a new site and a rural area Cloud Ghana chow internet ni tuma said demo any entertain ko na ne speed ne so de wo hu ne so da say dwumem efie ana baby a wo hia internet bia de and no ane Cloud Ghana internet sa santa memu hanko na wo dia wuni how kra Cloud Ghana Kwana Ghana ha or providing internet connectivity and twitching the moon twitchency a dem say smooth the audi ebia a content term so the mouth say Wi-Fi and now hotspot deployment CCTV camera installation IPVT installation net surveillance digital security locks and the web hosting there Cloud Ghana internet service and Kwana and you hamo and phone ne baby wo Cloud Ghana a chow tuma say with them any speed ne dear as soon as so as subimba Ghana had that simple when ya how bia you provided 24-hour support the mount ye mrantie no wo frɛ ya near drew hoda dada or how bia sane tie bia ya son no the amount what to me akoso the internet na digumedie bia wudi bia ope ya cha kwan ya top high opposite Love FM ye ne kwama rural bank na wo dan bakum frɛ Mr Internet was 0202 699 110 and now 0244601933 ubetumi so send a mail was support@cloudghana.com. Cloud Ghana Internet. The future can't wait.
21st Clinic yes sciatica expert. Sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia de siase ho no. Se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica. Na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye. Na no na 21st Clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia basobo o magye no Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa. Womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim hano ebi ni baby a gise 21st clinic nkoa womu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a woma gidi womu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ni ade Ghana ha baby a wo mo ho 0540311311 0540311311 na 21st clinic wo mo ye sciatica expert
Suma onyamija
ai onyamija no best omayiri yawo edubuachi onyame akoa ya wieye bre wade tumi asene no ofre food for thought adesie nyina ene yankwankwa bi a how done so September Liberty Conference epepaso na bebaso Maranatha Evangelistic Ministries Kumasi Harper Road asamo ayakasa ho ye free asomafo se etiedio no nwochi temumi no akopem yensa Acts chapter 28 verse 2 to 3 Shaneson say we burning of errors part 2 anopano sia pepepepe kopim bra ho kunkun bejaye eye dame 30th September Kumasi Atum Harper Road Ajumtofo edi jumtu beje jumedie ya papa Minister Sete Champo Yama mi Mabel Ochre aye kwa any resident worshipper Minister Kwame Jedu wobet sojom ajijumedie ya papa and trafi se how be daus amanie be daus odan be daus a awieye onyame di tomi amani boy omani yaw edubuachi na sada no pronsam so na obenya pa esani se onyankopon wa Abraham hu na chiri not so ni di tete kwafra mo kwaduma kankane a odan sebo wo peyi adwuma nyame ma edi ahofedie ebekoye fie bra Liberty Conference September edition oh glory hallelujah
Kada wase na yama wakwa abawia yi na abusua baby ye duru no ye de madwenche ne bi na efrem na yakoye nim wonsam from 3A Herbal Center awia wo fra wo sebra sisi yade koko na afenso yamtim otu ase de amawo ade bia wonamu wonim obi a ne sisi ye ne ya wonim bi a ayamtim na ha no na wonim obi a koko na ha no pa mesraw awie ya wotemen kana wo hwe TV no number na egu ase no de frese a ne mo se wo tie radio no de bia wote kam na wotemen ka bia wo adwumunye TV na wo hwe de a mesraw aduro no ye friend Coco Master na ɛyɛ 3A Herbal Center nsa no adwuma ɛyɛ topaye wono mu a hawo ne amane bie ne akiri obetimi anoma kɔ ba bie ya wopɛ sɛ wokɔ ɛbɛ adova wudu anim ha ya wunya ba bie ma me yam hu yie bia asɛm nim obetimi akɔ aba somdiem pepepepepepep 0546107107 0546107107 Kolnak Apidank Mr Herba and afa so Dani Herba hokwa ubenya bi 21st clinic sɛ yɛn kankyɛ wo sɛ yare a yɛfrɛ ne sɛ sciatica no na ɛha wo a sciatica yare no de bia yɛ kan na yɛ de akyerɛ wo sɛ yare yɛ firi wo sisi akyi fa wo to wura wo srɛ wo nantu besi wo na pɔ no so si wo na muro mu hɔnom no emu twetwe emu yɛ wo ya anadwo wo na untimi nante untimi nkɔ untimi ba mesrɛ wo ha yare no na ebi ɛha wo a yɛfrɛ no sciatica bɔmɔden biara sɛ manusi ya no wobɛkɔ yɛn nkorabata bia yɛ ɛbɛn yɛn nkorabata bɛyɛ so dunwɔtwe ne etire ɛna wɔ Ghana nti wofrɛ number no a baabi a ɛbɛn wɔ no na yɛakyerɛ wo yɛbɛtwa wo scan massage papa bi mogya mu hwehwɛ mu papa bi nso bɛkɔ so herbal treatment papa bi nso na yɛbɛtwa ɛdeɛ ma 21st clinic no yɛn na yɛyɛ bɔɔso kena no ankasa mepa akyɛw ahwia overseas yɛnuanom Alpha Radio nkyɛn hɔ pɛɛ ɔboase saa nso so ɛna tachiman sunyane nkranza baabi a yɛwɔ hɔ 0540 311 0540 311 na nyame ye wadom na ukoduru tano so apatrapa hodo a ɛhɔ na Dr. Abe wo Dr. Abe asɛm ɛne sɛ yɛde ne yɛyɛ ne honhom fam ɛne honam fam mesrɛ yɛde nubra hahama enua hini ɛna ɛbɛyɛ wo ho adwuma mogya mu hwehwɛ mu yɛbɛhwehwɛ wo mogya num yɛbɛhwehwɛ wo dwonso mu adeɛ bi ɛha wo bia no ne yɛaka ho asɛm de akyerɛ wo mesrɛ wo syphil cells anaasɛ sickle cell na ɛha wo a ne nyinaa no yɛyɛ ho adwuma na yɛde ama wo Ghana de obi agye tom sɛ sickle cell yareɛ no yɛn ɛna yɛyɛ bɔɔso kena no ɛwɔ mu mesrɛ wo syphilis ɛna ɛha wo saa nso so na menstrual pains bɛma wopɛ sɛ wotrɛ w'asɛm hernia ɛna ɛha wo fibroid paa brana yenyi emfa ma obra operation sembia enko so emfa ma be ma wayɛ mmerɛ ɛwɔ mpam menua ba wo ho nsɛm de ayɛ den de ma wa wo de no de ne wɔ munsuo abegyina ba bi na sabi wasen so ebia ne nyina nso so kɔ a obɛyɛ ho adwuma ɛde ma wo mesrɛw ba bia wo hyɛ bia no wo de wuduru ta no so a wo se me call Dr. Abe of Abe Herbal Clinic ta no so patrapa new site hɔ ɛhɔ ne yɛwɔ 0243 345392 0243 345392 na Dr. Abe Ajos. Of course, we are the fastest internet in the world. A cloud internet. Adie bia efa internet hu bia no. But na cloud internet enye enfama. Yemfanye locks ahodo. Sanso so na yem fix bi e wo fie. CCTV camera installations ne surveillance ahodo nyina no. Yebe ye bidi ama. Top high higher ane wo. Ye ne nuanom Love FM on di ehwani mu. 0244 601 933 0244 601933 na yaje so Tabita ni nipa na wawie Tabita se momfa nomra Tabita se wugu nsuo na wote ya wom sisi yade be ma waye mbre ewo empamu infections ahodo ene hawo diabetes aso na prostate enlargement ahodo nyina no ye be ye ho adwuma kama de ma menua ba wo na wo pe ana de na wo hawo ya usabi wusu saa no nkumafo no popo ya ni de akyere wo a Tabita clinic nipa na wawie Dr. Tabita se mo de momfa no emra e be ye omogya mu hwehwemu akoda no wada yie ana wona yie akoda no sabi duru se wo be wo na wade ne nan na beba ana ne henefa ne nsa na wade ba ne nyina no ye be ye ho adwuma ne ma herbal treatment papa bi abusu de tene se kumase sofa line alignment wono ma ye wo ho enkramantamu Firestone foot bridge no ma first foot bridge no after the atomic roundabout Tabita ne nipa na wawie kura mo de momfa no mra 0260 196219 0260196219 Dr. Sowes nie Sowes Herbal Clinic say yan kan kyerɛ wo sɛ wonim obi a ɛnam ka akwanhyia amba ne kasa no emu abuo kasa no ato ɛde afa ho na ɛno akyi fibroid sanso na waharawa ɛne wo brɛboɔ no eniema nkoyie mfama ho bɛma yɛ mbrɛ ɛwɔ mpam ɛnam yareɛ bi ɛna wakɔteɛ menua ba duru anwumre na bɛma no ɛba wo nkyɛn a na entientiamu nko ase de obi awu wɔ fie hɔ no ne nyina no ɛho nhia brane yenya adwuma no mfama ho bɛma so da bia wasi wutrase wahu de mitire pagya mu kakra na wada yɛ akyɛ dodo da ho kakra wo nkwamwa no ɛwɔ fam mesrɛ mu nyina no yɛbɛyi de afiri hɔ de ama ho sanso obi sɛ typhoid ne hame cancer busuakoro nyina no yɛbɛyi de afiri hɔ nom mojabroso ɛne hawo a ne nyina no ɛyɛ Sowes Herbal Clinic ko Dr. Sowes hɔ ohim school junction hɔ nom a ɛna afɛ so barekɛse ohim school junction afɛ so barekɛse 0243 282 629 0243 282 629 na awie yi ade e bema wani mu atepa ne sɛ wokɔsra wo dɔfo e wa yaresabea anase bia wokɔsra busuafo no e bia anase bia wokɔ adwuma bi mu afei na wokɔ night ana afei na wo ba fia mesra wo nyame yɛ wadom ne ba bia wokɔ bia no wokɔ de a mesra wo bomade sɛ wo ba gimizo ni bia ka ho na wanya 5G ni bi aka ho na de enti ampempi no yɛ ka ho asɛm yɛ kyerɛ wo sɛ mizo no ɛne sɛ ɛyɛ nuaba ahodoɔ ne yɛde ayɛ yɛ o mango deɛ wɔ hɔ yɛ wɔ abrɔbɛ deɛ wɔ hɔ ɛno akyi 5G no nso no guarana grapefruit ne deɛ keka ho nyinaa no ɛne yɛhɛ da ka bɔ mu a yɛde ayɛ na deɛ wɔ mu ni mɛma yɛnhuri nso bɛma yɛntumirika paa nkɔgye bi mesra wo duru baabi ne yɛasala ne yɛtɔ 5G na woyɛ bɛma wote ka mu kura si ne kodi la no so bi na epe bitɔ minim de nti ameka sa ma bo mani akyerɛ wadwene mu do nti wote ase bobɔde ne nya bi adwuma no asi pɛpɛpɛ mesra wo nua ba sɛ woton drinks nsuo ahodoɔ ne nneɛma ɛwɔ kwan ho saa so na store ahodoɔ na mizo ne 5G ne nka ho a mepa kyɛw o pam o customers no Fred Dr. Silas Sesia number na egu ase Dr. Silas Fred Sesia Manja Daniel ɛwɔ hwea 21st clinic overseas one mo a ɛno so kɔ hɔ no mo wutwa mu wɔ hɔ afa hɔ na egibi yes Fred Dr. Silas Sesia wɔ 0246 270 221 0246 270 221 akosia
afeya to nsam so na Mrs. Princess Halimatu Balobe wano ye panye kwanchafo a Great Balobe School Complex ye no kojoku eno ewo gomuanyanya no enfifi mantemu wadano na wode yadesade atoma panye na adro ne panyefo hodo anim sasa wo hwempa no a ankrankra suku so ka ho bio na Ghana na yekoye nim wo moboa pa ama de hia tumi gina so na so nti enuema hodo bi se aka de sika sam ne ade no wo mo sra ban na se wonya bi fam wo no se ne be ya dane de nyina wo mbotom ensada
yeah, what government school because all the way in Shemwa, a private school, you don't say government schools. Even Pocojo was saying the government school, you have then with the private school, we are more than 20. It's a strap and some allowance, people on the private schools now. I can live at the attack there on Muti. And no Muti, no competition, no commodity, I can live at the others in life, if it's a your parents one will say, Yamaya do on the 3rd next month. Yes.
I know you know headmaster the Great Balobe School Complex. Ora the graph tabwaje one so kasai.
How for this year, book, and one of the young masses here, one post one, Rambo Babasa. The best round for saying, Kalamo coffee, from book, young Bibia, and now for Kaka for 20 days, and one Kalano Dati. What's wrong for Bia saying, Kalamo coffee, one book, young Bibia. Na bibiania nkola dachi bi no etime so mi etime abo mi tika kama kacha awofo anu ma say dachi bi no nkola no umo mbasa abro na ekoma wankasa dachi no yare da homo no unyo obi obaboa o but ugba no papa no o ma kola na anko school no ahwe ndiye na anko school dachi ba kola na bra bojija o ma no so bra bo be de me bia se na be ya nkola no dachi bi no so yare da fo ma o so betima be hwe se school no anko school wa bra bon enya papa nti mesa ofo so mo ni adaje o mo do madwuma sem no a ma ware madwuma sem o ma di bibia ya madwuma sem no so mo money kwala no ama kwala dachi won so mabra
I was away ora the graft abwaje were headmaster or Great Balobe School Complex no e won finfin mantemu I was saying general so yade nsam nyina AC kokwa Veronica John Do wona tina fidie na chichinchim akoso asomo abo ne chidom pa e na fe buzui ene nana ya Grace ene nkae ne nyina yeda mu nyina mo ase akosia aje wakode aboate ne medi mene
nana kwabna kese